Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your image into a video using AI. Okay, for today's tutorial, I'm going to use Gemini to create AI video. So first of all, you can visit gemini.google.com, and then here we can add a prompt. I'm going to ask Gemini to create AI video with my photo. I'm going to select video, and then we can add photo here. I'm just going to add one of my photos from my device. Wait guys, I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to ask the AI to make the berry fly. Make the berry, oops, sorry, and on the photo, fly high. Okay, and then I'm going to click on submit, and then just hold on guys, the AI will generate a video for you. Okay, and my video is ready, and let's play it together guys. This is how the video looks like. And if you want to download your video, you can click on download video here, and then the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn an image into a video using AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.